Hi everyone, welcome to today's class. The topic is position of adverbs. So in the previous class on adverbs, we focused on the different types of adverbs. This class goes into more detail on the most suitable places to position adverbs in a sentence. So just a reminder, the main categories of adverbs are adverbs of time, frequency, place, manner, degree, and viewpoint. There are three main positions for adverbs in a sentence. By the start of the sentence, we mean that the adverb is placed before the subject. Note that they are normally followed by a comma. Finally, she decided to do something to change this. In the middle position, the adverb is placed between the subject and verb, or after the first auxiliary verb. They usually sit over there. He is usually early. In the end position, the adverb is placed after the verb, either immediately after or later in the clause. I closed the door carefully. Many adverbs can go in any of these positions, depending on context or style. Carefully, I closed the door. I carefully closed the door. I closed the door carefully. So how do we know where to place each type of adverb? Because of the vast variety of adverbs and the complexity of the English language, there are endless possible sentence structures using adverbs. This is an attempt to simplify their use to avoid errors, and is not absolute law. Adverbs that commonly go before the subject in a clause are time, frequency, and viewpoint adverbs. Adverbs of degree, frequency adverbs, and viewpoint adverbs can also go between the subject and verb. Adverbs of place, time, manner, frequency, and viewpoint all fit in the end position. You may find it easier to look at them in this format. And please remember that this is not set in stone. If there are several adverbs at the end of a sentence, the word order is normally manner, place, and time. Chris sat happily under the bridge yesterday evening. So now let's review some of what we've just learned. Write the adverb in brackets in the sentence in an appropriate position. For example, I don't understand the instructions completely. Identify the adverb in each sentence. Write yes if it can be moved to another part of the sentence, or no if it cannot. And that brings us to the end of today's class. For more information on our one-to-one classes with a native speaking teacher, visit speakeasy1to1.com. Thanks for watching.